What is a stretch ceiling system? A stretch ceiling system is an innovative interior design solution that involves installing a thin, stretchable membrane or fabric across a ceiling structure. The membrane is typically made of PVC or a similar material that can be stretched taut and fixed in place using a perimeter track or frame. This creates a smooth and seamless surface that covers the entire ceiling area. Stretch ceiling systems offer various advantages, such as their ability to hide imperfections, provide acoustic insulation, and enhance lighting effects through the use of backlighting or embedded LED lights. They also allow for easy installation and maintenance, as the membrane can be easily removed and reinstalled if necessary. Additionally, stretch ceilings are available in a wide range of colors, finishes, and textures, allowing for customization to suit different design preferences. A stretch ceiling system is a type of interior ceiling installation that consists of a suspended ceiling surface that is stretched taut across a framework or support structure. It is designed to create a sleek and seamless ceiling appearance with various aesthetic and functional advantages. The stretch ceiling system typically involves the use of a PVC or fabric membrane that is stretched and secured around the perimeter of a room. The membrane is fixed to a track or profile system installed on the walls or ceiling. The tension applied to the membrane creates a smooth, wrinkle-free surface that covers the entire ceiling area. One of the main advantages of a stretch ceiling system is its versatility in design. The membrane can be customized to different shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for a wide range of creative possibilities. It can be printed with high-resolution images, patterns, or even backlit to create unique lighting effects. Additionally, the system can accommodate various accessories like lighting fixtures, ventilation outlets, and speakers, which can be seamlessly integrated into the ceiling. Stretch ceiling systems also offer practical benefits. They can improve acoustics by reducing noise reverberation within a room. They can hide imperfections in the original ceiling, such as cracks or uneven surfaces. The installation process is typically quick and clean, with minimal disruption to the existing space. Furthermore, the stretch ceiling membrane is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to moisture, making it suitable for different environments, including residential, commercial, and public spaces. Overall, stretch ceiling systems provide an aesthetically pleasing, versatile, and functional solution for ceiling installations, offering a modern and customizable alternative to traditional suspended or drywall ceilings. What is a stretch ceiling system? A stretch ceiling system is an innovative interior design solution that involves installing a thin, stretchable membrane or fabric across a ceiling structure. The membrane is typically made of PVC or a similar material that can be stretched taut and fixed in place using a